Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for Lemonade Renters Insurance. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. At the lower part, you will see an option for Check Our Prices. Click on Check Our Prices. It will then ask if you already have an account. Since we're still going to sign up, click on Nope. Then click on Next. To start with the sign up, enter your first name and last name. Next, enter your home address. It will then ask if it's your primary address. Click on the option that applies. Then click on Next. Also, select if you have any of the following at your home. It will also ask if you share your home with any of the following. Then click on Next. Also, it will ask if you own any valuable jewelry, camera, bikes, or fine art. Click on the option that applies. Also, did you or anyone living with you files any claims in the past 3 years? Select the option that applies. And lastly, it will ask if you have an active renter's insurance policy on the address you provided. Select the option that applies. Then click on Next. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. To start getting you a quote, enter your email address and date of birth. Also, click on the tick boxes to confirm that you agree in receiving the policy documents by email and to agree with the terms of service. Then click on Next. The data you provided will then be analyzed. To proceed, click on Next. After that, you will be asked several questions again. First, if you had a policy canceled by an insurer in the past 5 years. Next, if you or anyone you live with file any claims in the past 5 years. And lastly, do you have a pet with history of biting? Select the choices that apply. Then click on Next. Once your quote is ready, click on Let's Go. Now you'll see the amount. To proceed, select the start date. Then click on the Pay button. Lastly, for payment, enter your card details on the fields provided. After that, click on Pay. That's how you sign up for Lemonade Renters Insurance. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.